Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
And the screen is visible.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Good morning, sir. We are Team Full Throttle, uh, presenting the cost report presentation on the platform of Go Kart Design Challenge of 11th season 2024. Myself, Saili Dange, and here are my teammates, Mr. Bhushan Rane and Shravan Karkare from the automobile. So here is the basic overview of our cost distribution required for manufacturing the go-kart. The maximum amount required of rupees 45,020 for the powertrain, that is the engine, and almost that was the chassis for rupees 34,984 rupees, and including the all systems like brake system, steering system, fit finish, and the wheel assembly and tires. So the total cost required for manufacturing this go-kart is of rupees 1,19,510 rupees. So what are the various materials we have required for manufacturing the cart? First one is the aluminum 4130 required for the manufacturing the chassis of rupees 10,620 rupees. Stainless steel required for manufacturing the knuckle of rupees 300. Aluminum 7075 required for manufacturing the drive shaft of rupees 3,345 rupees. Likewise, the glass fiber also required for rupees of 125 rupees square per square meter, and aluminum 1035 required for the crumple zone of rupees 2,255 rupees. So what are the various types of cost we have required while the fabricating the go-kart? First one is the material cost, which is the cost associated with the raw materials used for the fabrication. Next one is the tooling cost required for the jigs, molds, and the fixtures. And the next one is the process cost, which is the cost complete operational cost making the each state of fabrication. And going through the detailed analysis of the system, the first one is the frame and body. Here we have included the various parts such as a frame that we have manufactured, and the cost around 19,770 rupees, and the all mountings including the engine mounting, seat mounting, panels mounting, etc., which cost around 7,274 rupees. Likewise, the body panel of rupees 5,070, and firewall material of 890 rupees, engine covering of rupees 300, and the driver seat which is bought part of rupees 3,100. So the total cost is comes out to be 36,404 rupees. And be specific with the chassis specifications, and what are the various for processes that we have used while the manufacturing the chassis. First one is the welding of rupees 2,000, laser cutting of rupees 1,000 and 1,250 rupees, bending of rupees 600, grinding of rupees 300. So the total processing cost is around 5,150 rupees. The fasteners cost is around 75 rupees, and the raw material, as we have earlier mentioned, that aluminum 4130, which is cost around 6,750 rupees, and the tooling cost of rupees 200. So the total cost is around 12,175 rupees required for the chassis manufacturing. So the further presentation will be continued by Mr. Shravan Karkar.
So starting with the steering system, steering wheel, the that is a broad part. Unit cost is rupees 2099. Then hub steering wheel, that is manufactured. It is a total cost of rupees 830. Then tie rods, that is a bought, costed us 1540. Steering column, it is a manufactured. Total cost 320. And housing bearing is 300. So total cost for the steering system is 6157. Then the steering system is a processing cost, CNC machining 2000. Then fasteners costed rupees 100. Raw material SS304 400 per kg rupees 1200. And tooling cost rupees 300. So total cost for the steering system is 3600. Wheel assembly and tire. So rim is a broad part. Total costed us for the 7000 for all four. Then tire is a broad. Total costed us 5700. Rear wheel hub left 2100. That is a manufacturer. And a rear wheel hub right, that is 2100. Total cost of the wheel assembly and tire is 16900. Processing, processing cost 0, fastener cost 450, raw material cost 39,575, and tooling cost 0. Then brake system. So the first one is a fluid line, that is a broad, costed us rupees 572. We required only one brake line, but because of the previous experience, we have taken one extra for the safety purpose. And brake pedal we have manufactured, that is costed us rupees 825. Caliper costed us 2113. And the rotor costed us one for 1340. Master cylinder single for 740. So total cost for the brake system is 5784. Processing cost 100, fastener cost 220, raw material cost 4795, tooling cost 20. Transmission will be further explained by transmission head.
Moving forward to the transmission system, the engine which we have bought of FZ engine, FZ bike, that is of 31,500. Then the throttle pedal which we have manufactured for rupees of 350 rupees, the muffler which we have bought for 1800 rupees, the driver's sprocket which we have bought for rupees 350, and the drive shaft which we have manufactured for rupees 3800 rupees, and the total cost we've got is 36,665. The processing cost which for transmission goes for 3,340 rupees. The fastener's cost is for 490 rupees, and the raw material cost is 6,520 rupees, and for the tooling it goes for 550 rupees, and the total cost is of 10,900 rupees. And further, for electronics and wiring system, the battery which we have bought of 1,300 rupees, brake lights which we have bought for 400 rupees, start switch we have bought for 220 rupees, the kill switch we have bought for 650 rupees, and the bot switch which we have bought for 370 rupees, and the total cost is 3,715 rupees. The processing cost is of 0. The fastener's cost is 910 rupees. The raw material cost goes for 2,805 rupees, and the tooling cost is 0. So the total cost is of 3,715 rupees. And the body work means the panels which we have manufactured is, the processing cost goes for 0, the fastener's cost also is 0, but the raw material cost is of 3,650 rupees. So the total cost is of 4,795 rupees. Thank you, sir.
All right, guys, open that cost report which you have submitted.